What is up, Print Squad? I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing some behind the scenes because you know you guys that subscribe to the red channel, I really appreciate it. So you know, I promise y'all some behind the scenes videos, so if you want to see what I'm gonna be working on today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, today I got these boxes in right here. I just met the UPS guy and picked them up. Three boxes. I actually have 3 orders for this week, plus another small order that I'm gonna be working on. You know, it's not really an order, but it's something that, you know, for me basically. So right here, these are some jerseys right here. There's some Pro jerseys, reversible jerseys, and they're mesh jerseys. I'm gonna be printing these today. And I don't know if you guys have never printed mesh jerseys. It is a little bit different when you're printing the mesh jerseys, because see, when you're printing, it's got the holes in it. Like right here, you can see my hand through there, and you know, it'll print, it'll get through, it'll go through, and it'll you know, stick, cause the jerseys to stick together sometimes. So yeah, just a little behind the scenes video. This video, I'm not gonna be actually printing on this video today, but you know, let you guys know what I'm working on, behind the scenes type stuff. You can stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be on the green channel pretty soon, once I get a chance to, you know, get everything done and get it edited. But I appreciate you guys for subscribing to the red channel. If you haven't subscribed to the green channel, go ahead and subscribe to that channel. At the end of this video, you will see a red and a green logo. Green logo, green channel. Red logo, red channel. And also follow me on Instagram and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. You know, that's a good support group. So I appreciate you watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Print Squad out.